What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and this is Little Jackson.
Hi.
So today we have an awesome recipe for you. It's called Garlic Noodle. We've been going around town eating these garlic noodle at these Asian restaurants. So today I'm gonna do it myself, and I'm gonna add some grilled Asian shrimp. You will love it. So let's get to cooking. Let's go. What's up, guys? Here we go. Garlic noodle with grilled Cajun shrimp. First bite. Kids are in the pool. That's why I'm filming out here. Here we go. That super rich, flavorful, delicious, buttery, garlic. Heaven. Big old bite of shrimp. That's good. That's good. Well, guys, if you like the video, make sure you click the like button, and you like my recipe. Make sure you push subscribe and ring the bell for notification, alright? Bye.